Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your water dispenser. Start by shutting off the hot water, cold water, and unplug it. Next, we're going to take this cover off and remove the water bottle. And get yourself a bucket because you're going to take this off and just make sure you don't get any water on the floor there. This you can move out of the way. And next we're gonna drain the water from the system. Next, take a used water bottle and we're gonna make a 50-50 water vinegar solution. This is a gallon of distilled white vinegar. We're gonna pour this whole thing into here. Then we're gonna fill this with hot water and pour that into here. So we're gonna have a gallon of water, a gallon of vinegar. Next, we're gonna take this and put it in the water vinegar solution. Like that. And we're gonna plug it in. There you go. And now we're gonna, I took another bucket that will fit in here better. There you go. Now we're gonna run about a gallon of this vinegar stuff. Let's see if we can run it through here. Run it through both. Watch out because it's gonna be hot. All right, guys. Now all that water vinegar solution is going through the system there. So we're gonna let that sit for about 30 minutes. While you're waiting, now is the time to clean the outside. I'm using some of these wipes. Make sure you get the back of this part. All right, half an hour went by. Now we're gonna drain the rest of this solution. Now that all the vinegar solution is used up, you're just gonna take this back out. You don't need this anymore. You gotta unplug it. I'm gonna undo this and drain it from here, okay? With this, you could use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch socket. That's what I'm using. You can take this off and unscrew this. And you gotta be prepared with a bucket because this is gonna shoot out. So there's a little cap here. Little rubber cap you gotta take out. All right. You could put this plug back on. Screw this back on. Put this on. Next, put a couple of gallons of fresh water into another water bottle. If you have it, if you don't have another water bottle, just clean the one you had with the vinegar. We're gonna flush the system with fresh water. All right, now we're gonna put this back on here. And we're gonna run fresh water through the system. Where's my bucket? I gotta look for it. All right, plug this in again. When you drain the system, it may take a little while for the water to flow because everything's empty. Just keep holding the button and eventually the water will flow. Make sure you do the hot water too. All right, now that you ran some fresh water through the system, I'm just gonna taste it, make sure it tastes okay. Let's see. Tastes fine, but if it still tastes like vinegar or whatever, run some more fresh water through the system. All right, now you can take this out. Take this out of the way. We're gonna put the new water back on. All right, don't forget to turn on the hot water and the cold water. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.